Hi friends, so today we will be making a 3D printed airsoft rifle. So this is just a toy gun and we'll be using these plastic bullets. So I'll mention all the STL files needed to be printed for this. So let's look at the assembly. So this is the main gearbox that we can get outside from China or anywhere else. I'll mention these links as well. So this is a version 2 gearbox, and after getting this gearbox we print the main part. This is called the main part for the gearbox, and we slide the gearbox into that, and after we slide that we fit this, and this is also a another part I'll be mentioning. So this is a trigger to select either semi or auto or safe mode. So we are selecting semi, and after that here this is called the grip, pistol grip, and in this there will be a motor. We need to attach the motor to the gearbox. There will be gears inside the gearbox, and this motor will align with the gears in the gearbox. And the wiring, I'll also mention the wiring, the link for the wiring. So this is the wiring, as you can see. So this is the shoulder grip. So this is the main connection for the wiring. There are some components in this. I'll mention the components as well. This is the battery. So this is the 11.1 volt battery. We can also use a 7.4 volt battery as well. So this is the magazine. Magazine cannot be printed. Magazine has to be purchased. And this is the silencer. Not an actual silencer, but it gives the look of a silencer. And this is the main barrel. This is the actual barrel through which the BB comes out. And this is the handguard where we grip the rifle. So these are this is the main upper portion, upper receiver, and this is called the lower receiver. This is the pistol grip. This is the shoulder grip. This is the barrel. This is the silencer. This is the handguard and magazine. And I'll mention the links for these components as well. So I have printed this upper receiver in 3 different filaments. As you can see, PLA is not very strong. So this one I have printed with other company of PLA. It is very sturdy rather than this PLA. So for this demo I am using this printed part itself. So here there will be a hole actually to fit this black pistol grip. As you can see, there is a hole, and there will be another hole in this. So we need to get like a 5 mm screw, and once we put it like this, once we assemble it, we need to insert the screw from the back. Take a long screwdriver and fit it. And once this is done, then we take this part, we have to slide it in. Okay, once it slides in, here we need to make another hole and fit probably a screw, or we can just put a dowel, something like that, like a 5 mm wooden dowel or a stick, something like that. And so this is the main barrel. So before moving this, we need to push the barrel inside this. Make sure this is facing towards the back side. Yes. Now once we push this, okay, or else we can do other thing. Slide this barrel in. Make sure this barrel aligns with the inside of the, as you can see, with the inside of the upper receiver, and this part should align with the above part, this indentation here, with the gap here. And once it's done, we just rotate this, we screw this, then the barrel will be fixed. Yeah, now the barrel is fixed, and now we slide this in. Now the sliding is done. After this we move the hand guard. Now this part should be to the front and this should be to the back. Here there are two holes, we need to make holes, and we can fit 3 mm screws with nuts, but I haven't done that. This is just a basic version, we can upgrade it. Now this is also aligned. Once we align it, we need to put screws, or we can directly keep it like that, no issues with that. And after that, as you can see, we are moving the silencer inside, and this silencer is a it's a clockwise direction, you know, the basic opposite direction of threading a screw. Now once this is done, our rifle is assembled, and after that we need to load the magazine. So this is called a speed loader. You can manually push each BB with finger, but for saving time this will be very useful. Okay, now once we fill it up, we put it inside the mouth of the magazine and then we push it. Now what this does is, it will push each of the BBs into the magazine. Now as you can see, the BBs have been loaded. Now let's keep the battery, plug the battery, and we'll push the battery to the shoulder grip. There will be another part here. There will be another part here that we can use to cover the rifle at the back end, you know, to make these wires disappear. Now let me just show you. Now once everything is assembled, we need to put the magazine. Actually there will be a spring here, but I couldn't find the spring. I need to get it made, but once it's done, we need not hold the magazine, and once it's done, as you can see, it's semi as auto as well, but we can change it, that's not an issue. So this is the rifle, and I'll show you. Now if you continuously press the trigger and keep it, it will be full auto. If you just keep on pressing the trigger, sometimes it will be semi auto. We even have the option, but if you keep it in fully auto mode, we can use it as semi and auto as well at the same time, rather than switching the plug. So this is the airsoft rifle, guys. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Now the effective range of this one is around 200 feet, and we shouldn't be using this on animals or humans. It's just for fun purpose. Okay friends, thank you. I'll be making another video regarding another airsoft rifle. Thank you. Have a great day.